Hi, welcome to Unity 6 LTS course. In this course, I'll begin Unity 6 from scratch, and it's very useful for those who want to start learning Unity, and also the users that already know the Unity and can work and want to learn Unity 6, the latest version of the Unity 6. I'll begin from scratch and cover the core of the Unity, C# scripting, lighting, particle systems, the differences between URP and HDRP systems, and also traditional Unity architecture, shader design, optimization techniques, and so on, completely from scratch. I'll upload one part of this course every week. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Also, I'll upload the complete course, the full course, on the blackcave.com store that you can access the complete course, and also it includes bonus chapters. Okay, let's get started. Here you need to visit to the unity.com website and go to the download section, and then navigate to the subscription plans and go to the personal section and press the learn more. We need to download the free version and get the free and personal license for it. Here we can press the get started to download the Unity Hub and get the license of the Unity Personal, or go to the Unity 6 and press the download the latest. So here press the get it latest, and here we need to press the download for Windows. If your operating system is different, a Mac or Linux, you can download them with these links. Here press the download for Windows. Right. After installing the Unity Hub, I already have it on the system and I didn't download and install it. The installation process is easy. After that, it will face with this screen, and you need to create an account on the website. It's easy. You can insert your information and create a Unity account, or you can sign up using your Google account, your Gmail, and it's easier than the other ways. After that, you need to sign in. Let's press the sign in button. Alright, here you can also create an account, and you can insert the email you've inserted in the creation account process here and sign into your account, or you can continue with your Gmail. I will choose the Gmail. I will select one of my Gmails. Here you need to accept the Unity terms of services and continue to work. Alright, whenever you signed in successfully, you're faced with this page and you need to press Open Unity Hub. It will redirect to the Unity Hub and open your user token inside this application. Here you need to press this button to accept the terms of use and get a personal license. You can read about the personal license of Unity in detail in its website. In the personal version, you have some limitations, and if your game sells a specific amount, you need to get the pro version of Unity, and you need to pay monthly and give a specific percentage of your project purchases to Unity company. Here we have the Unity Hub as a tool, as a software that you can manage your projects, which you can see I have many projects here, and also you can manage your Unity license, Unity versions, and download the Unity engine, and also tools like SDK, JDK, which is useful for Android exporting, and so on. Here you can see all of my projects and also the Unity version I use for them, and also the date I opened them. Here we can switch the Unity version. These are the Unity versions I have. You can switch between them and open the projects using the other versions. Here we can navigate to the installs and install a new editor, and also you can locate an existing editor, Unity editor. Also, you can manage your Unity editor, can add extra modules. Here we can add Android build tools, supporting for Linux, supporting for PlayStation, and so on. And you can easily install the current version, a specific version of Unity. If you download and sign into the Unity hub, actually you don't have any Unity installed on your system. You need to press the install editor and install one of the Unity versions. We have Unity 6.1. It is, as you can see, it is supported and recommended. You can install it, or you can install the previous versions, which is LTS. LTS stands for long time support. It is the most stable version of Unity, but the recommended version is good as well. Also, you can download the previous versions that is still supporting by Unity, for example 2022, 2021, and they are LTS. You can press the install and the installation process is very easy. You don't need to involve too complicated process. Also, here in the settings you can change the path of your default projects and also your Unity versions. For example, my default project path is here, and I can change it, and also I can change the default location of the Unity editors here, and also we can change the downloads location. Download means a file that includes the Unity editor itself will be stored somewhere on your PC, and if you delete the Unity with any reason, you can install it later again without downloading, and go to the locate and locate to the installed Unity. Also, you can go to the learn and watch the videos and read the documentation and learn many things about Unity. Alright, the most important part is these two buttons. This is the new project button. We can create a new project from scratch, and this is the add button. You can add a project from your disk, your PC, or from a repository. Which means adding from GitHub. For example, if you don't know about a GitHub is something like a cloud hosting that gives you a free space, free storage that you can upload your project safely. No one can't access to the project except you, and you can download the project from that repository, from that host, by pressing this button. And GitHub has many extra features that I'll explain it later. Let's press the new project. Well, consider we don't have any project here and it's empty. We press the new project. Alright, here in this window we need to select the Unity version. We have these editors. I will select the 6.0.4 because it's LTS long time support and it has more stable features and attributes. And here we need to select the type of our project. For example, you want to create your game for mobile and small devices. You need to select the lighter version of the Unity. Here we need to select 3D mobile or universal 3D and so on. Also, you have other projects, for example, for AR, VR, and here for FPS games, 2D platformer games, and so on. We have two options here, but the most important is Unity is three main sections: Universal or URP, High Definition Render Pipeline, and also the basic 3D scene. We have 2D also, but in the 3D project we can access the 2D as well. The 3D project is the vanilla or the traditional Unity that you can access to the basic structure and the basic tools in the Unity. But the new generation and the new tools are exist in the Universal or URP and HDRP. But HDRP, which is useful for realistic graphics, has more tools. So we will work and cover the high definition render pipeline instead of URP or the vanilla Unity. So we need to select the core. Core means we don't have any sample project here. We can download the HDRP version with samples, but we will use the core or basic or empty project of the HDRP. Here we need to select our organization or account, and here we need to enter a name for our project and select this to store the project on our PC, not Unity Clouds. And here change this to Unity course beginner course. And next, change the location if you want. Here I need to create a new folder and rename it to Unity beginner course, and select this folder as the default location of the project. Here we can select the use Unity version control, which is a system like GitHub that you can upload your project on the Unity Cloud, and every change you will apply on your project, it will upload and change on the cloud as well, and you have backup of your project. Alright, good. Press create project to create a new project for you. This process take a while. It needs to download some packages and compile some codes and shaders that I will talk about.